Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 44. So this will be the last lecture of missing data. Let us begin with question number 1. What is x in this sequence? 132, 129, 124. Don't write this in the exam like this. आपको कैलकुलेशन करना है, मुझे एक्सप्लेनेशन देना है आपको, ठीक है? You can write it here also. 132, 129. The difference is 3. 129, 124 difference is 5. This is the first check, obvious check. यहाँ पे difference is 2. 106 और 117, the difference is 11. 106 and 93, the difference is 13. You can clearly identify this sequence. It is pretty basic here. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are primes, prime numbers. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 17. क्लियर? 13 हो गया, 14, 15, 16, नन ऑफ देम 17. ऐसे यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए जिसके साथ आप 17 ऐड करोगे? व्हाट नंबर शैल कम हियर such that if you add 17 you get 93? Answer has to begin with 6, sorry, end with 6, so your answer is C. Clear? 76 plus 17. Got it? Let us proceed to the next problem. Question number 2. What is x in this sequence? 4, देखो, 4, 16, 36. These sequence are such that once you see them, you will identify it naturally. Okay. How? See, 4, 16, 36, 64, 196, 144, 100. This is 2 ka square, this is 4 ka square, this is 6 ka square, this is 8 ka square. This is 14 square, this is 12 square, this is 10 square. So obviously the next number shall be 8 square. This will be 8 square. Answer is 64. Got it? Proceed to the next problem. Question number 3. A simple mathematical operation in each number of the sequence 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32. It has given that simple mathematical operation runs in each number of the sequence, which results in a sequence with respect to prime numbers. So, ये अच्छा है. It has told you what sequence runs. It has to be related to prime number. So you can think from that dimension. कि okay, prime numbers use करके we need to find out these numbers. Is it so? Then you can use your logic. Okay, this is 13 plus 1. This is 17 plus 1. This is 19 plus 1. 23 plus 1. 29 plus 1. 31 plus 1. Then the next one would be 31 के next वाला prime number is what? 31's next prime number is 32 नहीं होगा, 33 नहीं होगा, 34 नहीं होगा, 35 नहीं होगा, 36 नहीं होगा, 37. So your answer would be 37 plus 1, that is 38. Got it? Proceed to the next problem, that is question number 4. Following is a matrix of certain entries. The entries follow a certain trend row wise. Row wise. Choose the missing entry. 7, 3, 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. 10 plus 3 will be something. So it has to begin with 3. Option A is eliminated. B, A, C, C, B, A, obviously B आएगा. Clear? So answer is 3B. Got it? Why? Because it contains A, B, C in the row. Got it? Clear? Let us begin with the next problem. This is question number 5. If A, C, P, Q is written as B, E, S, U, what is the sequence? Plus 1, plus 2, QRS plus 3, RSTU plus 4. This is the sequence. MNGI. See the options. It begins with N. You no need to check that. It has to be N. Then the next are POPP. If you check the next one, you will eliminate one option only. Okay. If you check this one, you will eliminate one option. You will remain with 3 options. If you check this one, you will eliminate 3 options, you will remain with 1 option. If you eliminate this one, you will remain with 2 options, you will eliminate 2 options. Anything you can do. Okay. Now, I के बाद यहाँ पे +4 होना चाहिए. JKLMN आएगा, right? +4 ना? JKLM +4. जैसे Q, RSTU +4. J, K, L, M. So this has to be M. So which one ends with M? This option, this option. Eliminate this one, this one. Your answer has to be B or D. Okay. Now see, यहीं पे trap था. Which one to check? You have eliminated N, you have eliminated M, you have eliminated N, you have eliminated M. यहाँ पे J आएगा ही आएगा. क्यों? Why? Because this position is J. Now if you check this one, you will get the answer. So you do plus 2 OP. Answer is NPJM. So your answer is D. Got it? Clear? Proceed to the next problem, that is question number 6. You are given with two identical sequence. Whatever happens in A happens in B also. Identical sequence. What is the entry C? Entry C in place of the sequence 2. 8, 5. There is some relation. 4A, there is some relation. If certain relation follows here, it goes to 15. The same relation will follow here from 5 to go to C. That means 8 by 5 is 15 by C. What happens here will happen here. Now C will be 15 into 5 by 8. Clear? This will be 75 by 8. 8, 9 times is 72. So 9 point something. So your answer will be 9.375. Got it? Let us go to the next question. That is question number 7. What is the value of x in this sequence? 2, 7 plus 5, 22 plus 15, 67 plus 45. I hope you have identified it now. Into 3 हो रहा है. So 45 into 3 will be what? 45 into 3 will be 135. So it will be plus 135. 135 plus 67 will be what? 7, 5, 12, 2 taken 1, 6, 3, 9, 1, 10, 0 taken 1, 202. देखो 202 है. Similarly, 135 into 3 will be what? 130 into 3 is 390. 390 plus 15, 405. Clear? 405 will be added to 202. So you get the answer as 607. Got it? Clear? Proceed to the next problem. What is the value of x in this sequence? 20 से 10 आ रहा है. यहाँ पे एडिशन नहीं होगा, सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा. -10. यहाँ पे 0. नेक्स्ट इज 5. नेक्स्ट इज 15. नेक्स्ट इज 45. Is there any sequence followed here? I won't think so. Why? आपको यहाँ पे कुछ सीक्वेंस नहीं मिल रहा है, बट आप कर सकते हो. एक ट्रिक बताता हूँ. 20 है, 10 है, 10 है. चेक करते हैं. 15, 30, 75 x. सपोज दिस इज -10. यहाँ पे माइनस नंबर हो रहा है ना, यही ट्रैप है. 5, दिस विल बी 15, दिस विल बी 45. दिस आई डोंट नो. यहाँ पे सपोज इफ आई सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रॉम दिस, यू विल गेट 10. क्लियर? If you subtract this from this, you will get 5. If you subtract this from this, you will get 10. Subtract this from this, you will get 30. Again, you subtract this from this, you will get 5. You get here as 5. You get here as 20. You subtract again 0, 10. कुछ मैच नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, this pyramid approach is helpful. How it is helpful, I will let you know in the next questions. यहाँ पे ये वाला लॉजिक कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है. नेक्स्ट ट्राई इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 20 से 10 को कितना हो रहा है? इंटू 0.5. 10 इंटू 10 इज इंटू 1. 10 इंटू 15 इज इंटू 1.5. 15 इंटू 30 इज इंटू 2. 30 इंटू 7.5 is into 2. 75 is into 2.5. Obviously, it will be into 3. Now 75 into 3. I hope you know the answer. Answer will end in 5. Obviously, it is not 105, it is 225. Got it? Proceed to the next problem. Question number 9. What is the value of x in this sequence? 2, 12, 36, 80, 150. Remember, this pyramid sequence is the first check you need to do. Unless you can identify it, okay, it is a product based question, or else the best try is pyramid based. 10 इंक्रीज हो रहा है. यहाँ पे कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है? 24. यहाँ पे कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है? 44. Here the increase is 70. Here the increase again is 14. Increase here is 20. Increase here is 26. Increase here is 6. Increase here is 6. 6 same हो गया. Here the increase will be again 6. This has to be 32. 70 plus 32 will be 102. 150 plus 102 will be 252. Got it? This question was taught in the class also. Clear? Proceed to the next problem. We don't have any problem here. We end missing data. We'll see again in the next lecture. That will be lecture number 45, if I am not wrong. From sitting and arrangement, because we started from lecture number, I forgot it actually. It is lecture number 44. Okay. We started with lecture number 44. We'll begin with lecture number 45. That will be sitting arrangement from the next session. Okay. So we'll see you again in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. See ya in lecture number 45.